Track meteorologist Ted McInerney is here to discuss the potential for severe weather coming up later this week. Where are we now with where the ice may accumulate?
You know, we talk about scaling things back. When we talk about ice, it's never really scaling back. It's talking about being widespread crippling power outages versus still treacherous travel. And right now, there's still a good shot at freezing rain from Birmingham northward that will cause numerous problems, and the forecast is very fluid. It could change over the course of the next 24 hours, so it's something you need to keep checking back here at the Storm Track Weather Center. Let's go out and show you what we know right now with our weather headlines. It will be very spring feeling today and tomorrow, and then, yes, we'll have thunderstorms before the freezing rain tomorrow evening, and some of them could be on the stronger side. But for the kids today in the Storm Track bus stop forecast, it's very mild this morning. T-shirts by the afternoon, but there will be a few rain showers possible. Nothing heavy today, but it's going to be feeling a lot like April showers, but we're in March. All right, so we're looking at Hoover at 52 degrees. We have fog pretty much across the board. It's very dense down in Clanton, now into Shelby County, and especially Tuscaloosa County. That's why there's a dense fog advisory in effect until 9. Very big, very heavily reduced visibilities down to less than a half mile. Tuscaloosa down less than a half mile right now, a half mile right now in Alabaster, and Jasper visibility is reduced big time as well, all across the board, so be careful heading out in the roadways. Here's a live cam from our Storm Track camera atop the BJCC. Well, there's a little bit of fog out there in downtown Birmingham, but more the rural areas now. Look at Tuscaloosa, or Storm Track camera there at the University of Alabama. It's 52 degrees, and it is foggy this morning. Storm Track satellite and radar, we're starting to see the increase of moisture moving in, and that will set us up for a chance for showers on our Storm Track Futurecast at 11 a.m. Scattered showers, nothing too big to be worried about. By 6 o'clock, still some scattered showers. It increases in intensity tomorrow because we'll have strong southerly moisture flow, and that will bring in temperatures in the 70s. Humidity will be back into the pattern as well. And then smashing that against an Arctic air mass, we'll have thunderstorms breaking out for the northwest. And at 9 o'clock, heavy rain and thunderstorms across the area. Now on the backside, that blue line is the freezing line. Anything behind it will be icing up. North Alabama is looking at a pretty significant ice event. Now we're looking at glazing from Hamilton and Marion County, Winston County, Coleman County, Blount County, even northern Walker County, still significant icing. But as we get into Birmingham, it looks like it's still going to be a glazing, and anything we've seen with black ice can cause problems, especially if we get a glazing of ice. Here we are on one of our computer models showing the icing and glazing happening as far south as mid-Shelby County through Tuscaloosa, through Pell City. But the big bullseye will be North Alabama, Marion, Winston, Coleman, as well as Blount County. And some of the weather where you live today was feeling real good. 72 degrees in Tuscaloosa, 68 in Jasper. Out in East Alabama, temperatures in the 70s across most of the area. Gadsden at 68 degrees. Your Storm Track 7-day forecast, 72 on Wednesday, but cooling down with a high of only 35. So any wet areas will be frozen for most of the day Thursday into Friday morning. Jamie?